If you have been facing trouble while trying to install the new KB5034204 update on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC, then continue watching as I will share some of the best methods to fix this problem. I'm showing it on a Windows 10 PC, but the exact same steps can be followed on a Windows 11 PC. The first thing I want you to do is run the update troubleshooter. So go to settings, update and security, search for troubleshoot, press additional troubleshooters, and here you can run the Windows update troubleshooter. It will either fix the problem or detect the problem and let you know how to fix it. Since I'm not facing this problem, the troubleshooter didn't reply with anything positive. The next thing I want you to do is use the keyboard shortcut Windows plus R and type services.msc. So type this and press OK. Here, I want you to ensure that Windows Update is running. So scroll down a bit until you locate Windows Update and ensure that it's running. If it's stopped, what you can do is simply right click and start it. Also, go to Properties and start type make it to automatic. If it's disabled by any chance, simply make it automatic and press apply. Now scroll up again and do the exact same thing for background intelligent transfer service. Ensure that it's running. If it's stopped, just simply start it, or what you can also do is restart the service. Restarting the service might also help fix the problem, and that's the second step. For the next method, what I want you to do is simply open the first link in the description. It will take you to Windows 11 installation assistant. What you can do is simply download this assistant and run it on your PC. It's a simple exe file. As soon as you run it, it will install the latest update of Windows 11 on your PC. Or if your PC has the latest update already installed, it will just let you know that you already have the latest Windows 11 update installed. So yeah, I definitely advise you to check out this Windows 11 Update Assistant 2, download it on your PC and run it like a normal exe. For the next step, what I want you to do is go to the Microsoft Update Catalog. Once again, the link to this website is in the description of this video. Once you're on the website, right here type the update number. So it's basically KB5034204. Search for it and here you can see 4 different options. What you can do is download any of these updates and install it on your PC like a normal Windows program. But before you do that, you have to check whether you are running an ARM64 based system or an x64 based system. Also ensure that you download the correct version. It should either be 22H2 or 23H2. But if you don't know what's the version you have installed on your PC, you can go to About PC section and here you can check the version. For me, it says 22H2 as you can see. So I will download the 22H2 version. For the next method, what we can do is create Windows 11 installation media. Using this, you can either reinstall or do a fresh install of Windows 11 on your PC and the new update will be applied with it. But if none of the methods that I just shared are working for you, what you can do is simply wait for Microsoft to release a new update and you can install the new update whenever Microsoft releases it. So pause your updates for a few days and whenever Microsoft releases a new update, you can install that one. If this video helped you in any way, then feel free to drop a like, take it easy, and I will see you soon.